Hello everyone. Welcome back to day 2 of the deep dive. Today, we are diving into something that I think every organization, whether you're a lean startup or a large enterprise, struggles with. Turning raw data into real, actionable insights, especially when you don't have a team of data scientists or you're not a coder yourself. Let's be honest, the amount of data we face today is overwhelming. And most tools still require technical skills just to ask a basic question. That's a major bottleneck for decision making. Which brings us to today's big question. Can a single tool actually bridge this gap between complexity and clarity? Can it help anyone, regardless of coding ability, get smart, fast answers from their data? Answer is yes. Say hello to Quadratic AI, the tool at the center of today's episode. It claims to be the world's first AI-powered spreadsheet that eliminates the need for traditional coding. It lets you ask questions in plain English, and it combines the power of Python, SQL, and JavaScript behind the scenes to deliver answers and visualizations in seconds. Pretty wild, right? Traditionally, analyzing data means switching between tools, writing code, and formatting outputs. It's a lot. But Quadratic AI abstracts all that away. No syntax, no setup, just your questions and your data, all in one interface. You focus on the what and why, and Quadratic handles the how. One of the most powerful demos they showed was uploading a huge PDF, like 50 to 100 pages, and simply asking a question like, analyze the data in this PDF. And within seconds, Quadratic pulls out the relevant data, charts it, and gives you an answer. Think of all the contracts, reports, or scanned docs sitting in your system. You could be unlocking them instantly. And here's what really impressed me. They tested it with a fake question, on purpose, asking for data that wasn't there. Instead of making something up like many AI tools do, Quadratic replied honestly, sorry, can't answer that, and explained why. That kind of transparency builds trust. And trust is everything when data decisions impact your business or operations. The real superpower here is speed. You can go from raw numbers to interactive charts in seconds. Try one visualization, refine it, and keep going. It's perfect for iterative analysis. They even demonstrated this with real-world traffic data, visualizing vehicle counts by time slot in a specific area. Super fast, super clear. From pie charts showing distribution to maps of accident hotspots, Quadratic handles everything in context. It remembers previous questions, keeps consistent styling, and helps you see patterns in seconds. This isn't just about pretty charts, it's about faster, smarter decisions. And hey, stay tuned because I'm going to show you two real demos right here in this video. In the first demo, we'll analyze the last 10 years of JEE exam questions, yes, straight from a multi-page PDF. In the second demo, we'll dive into 10 years of plane crash data and use Quadratic AI to visualize crash trends, locations, and causes. You don't want to miss this. Also, if you're curious to try it yourself, I've added the link to Quadratic AI in the description below. Beyond these demos, the tool is designed for everyday use, HR, finance, sales, operations, you name it. It's about putting powerful data capabilities into the hands of anyone, not just analysts. To wrap up, Quadratic AI is transforming the data game. From complicated, code-heavy processes to simple English questions and instant answers, it's redefining what it means to be data-driven. But here's a thought, if tools like this become mainstream, what will data expertise look like in the future? Will prompt engineering, critical thinking, and validating AI outputs become the new must-have skills? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for joining today's deep dive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a future episode. Now let's jump into the demos. What if I told you that you could analyze 10 years of JEE Mains papers in just minutes instead of weeks? Today I'm going to show you exactly how I did this using AI, and the results will blow your mind. Today's demo is special because I'm going to demonstrate something that would have taken me literally weeks to do manually, analyzing every single question from the last 10 years of JEE Mains papers to understand the topic distribution across physics, chemistry, and mathematics. So here's what I did. First, I went ahead and downloaded all the JEE Mains question papers from the last 10 years from the website. You can see here on my screen, I've got them all organized in this folder. Look at this. 2015, 2016, all the way up to 2024. That's 10 years worth of question papers, multiple sessions each year. Manually going through all of these would be absolutely insane, right? Now, here comes the game changer. I'm using Quadratic AI for this analysis. Watch this. I'm going to upload all of these PDFs at once. And now for the magic prompt and typing. Create a summary table showing how many questions are asked from each major topic in physics, chemistry, and math, respectively. Hit enter and look at this. Quadratic AI is now structuring the data from these unstructured PDFs. It's reading through every single question paper, identifying the subjects, categorizing the topics, and processing everything in real time. This is incredible, guys. The AI is literally reading through thousands of questions right now. It's identifying whether a question belongs to physics, chemistry, or mathematics, and then further categorizing them into specific topics like mechanics, organic chemistry, calculus, and so on. But wait, let me show you something even cooler. I'm going to give it another prompt to see how it's analyzing this data on the go. Wow, look at these results. The AI has created this beautiful summary table showing exactly how many questions came from each major topic. And check out these graphs. We've got pie charts showing the distribution across subjects, bar graphs showing topic-wise breakdowns, and even trend analysis showing how the pattern has changed over the years. But here's where it gets even more exciting. With this processed data, I can now generate any kind of analysis I want. Want to see which topics are trending up? Done. Want to know which areas are consistently important? Got it. Want to predict what might be important for the next exam? The AI can help with that too. The possibilities are literally endless. This is the power of AI in education, turning raw data into actionable insights in minutes, not months.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Losing all my focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me high. Touching me like lightning.
I will be doing plane crash data analysis with Quadratic AI in my second demo. What if I told you we could uncover hidden patterns in aviation safety data that could save lives? Today I am analyzing 10 years of plane crash data using AI, and what we discover might surprise you. I downloaded this comprehensive plane crash dataset from Kaggle covering the last decade. Look at this CSV file, thousands of incidents with details like aircraft type, weather conditions, causes, fatalities, and locations. Let's see what stories this data tells us. I'm uploading the CSV to Quadratic AI. First prompt, analyze the main causes of plane crashes and create a visualization showing the most common factors. Watch this. The AI is instantly processing thousands of records. It's categorizing causes, calculating frequencies, and wow, look at this breakdown. Pilot error, mechanical failure, and weather, all ranked with exact percentages. Let me dig deeper. Next prompt, show me crash trends by year and identify any seasonal patterns. And boom, the AI generates time series graphs showing how aviation safety has actually improved over the decade. Plus, fascinating seasonal insights. But here's where it gets incredible. Compare fatality rates by aircraft type and airline. The AI instantly creates comparative charts. Analyze geographical patterns. Which regions have higher incident rates? Heat maps appear showing global hotspots. Correlation between weather conditions and crash severity. Done. Predict risk factors for future incidents. The AI identifies key patterns that aviation authorities could use for prevention. In just 2 minutes, we've uncovered insights that would take traditional analysts weeks to discover. This isn't just data visualization, this is potentially life saving intelligence extracted from raw data using AI. If you're fascinated by data analysis or want to see how AI can transform any data set into actionable insights, smash that like button and subscribe. What data set should I analyze next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Think I've been here before.